Right, now we're going to have a close look at forms. There's a number of different forms. There's an edit, there's a browse edit, there's a subform, and there's a launch. What we're going to do here is we're going to use a browse edit to create a browse and edit form for customer information. We're also going to do the same thing for employees. Now the only form we're not going to cover here is a launch form, and that's basically a form that doesn't have any database tables behind it. It's just there to launch things from. For example, a good example of that is the home page. There's no data on that home page like here, but we're launching other buttons from it. All the other forms have to do with data that sits in the tables behind the database.